Geometry, congruent triangle review, problems 30, 31, and 32. In an isosceles triangle, two triangles will have equal measure. Okay, here's an isosceles triangle. Two triangles will have equal measure. One of the base angles has a measure of 34 degrees. The measure of angle A equals 34 degrees. What are the measures of the other two angles in the triangle? Well, the measure of angle C is also 34 degrees. Definition of base angle. So the measure of angle B is equal to that's what we have to find out. What else do we know? We know the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equal 180 degrees. But we know the measure of angle A is 34 degrees. The measure of angle C is 34 degrees. So now I subtract 68 from both sides. So the measure of angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 68 degrees. Where did the 68 come from? 34 plus 34 turns out is 68. So the measure of angle B is equal to 112 degrees, if I did my arithmetic correctly. A ladder can extend 42 feet. If the base of the ladder is placed against a building 23 feet from the building, how far up the building does the ladder extend? Well, what do we know? We know we have a right angle. We know the hypotenuse of our right triangle is 42 feet. So, with a handy-dandy calculator, we can say A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So B is equal to the positive square root of 42 squared minus 23 squared. Can it be negative? Absolutely not. Distances are always positive. What is the equation of the line perpendicular to this going through that point, and they want the answer in point slope form. What do we know? We know point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to the slope of the line times x minus x1. Yeah, right. Okay, so what's the slope of this line? 3x plus 4y equals 12. Subtract 3x from each side. So y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. I need perpendicular, so y minus 3, my given y value, is equal to the slope, which is 4/3, times x plus 5, because this is negative 5, but I need the negative of that, gives me a plus here. They want the equation in point slope form. I'm done.